Out here last week to the sprint boat racing community. So he's here today. He had a spectacular crash here last year. He's always fun to watch. He definitely puts the pedal to the floor, if you know what I mean. As we get a few more qualifying sessions in. Right now these guys are just kind of testing out the waters. We're getting the rotation down so that they can comfortably and confidently put the pedal to the metal here as Bootlegger gets a clean run here on his first run out. Who we got coming up next here are we should have Jolly Rogers coming out here again, Dustin Springer and Don Davis.